Hey there, YouTube. It's Wake Angel 2001, and I got another box today. I did order something from eBay. Not sure if this is it or if it's something else. I honestly don't know. I'm starting to feel like that episode of South Park where people were just getting packages from like stuff they ordered on Amazon. They completely forgot that they'd even ordered things. I will tell you, I did find the third wave of those Lego Sonic figures. I've already placed an order for those. Of course, shipping was free, so it's probably going to take a while. Don't know how long. Alright, so let's see what this is. Oh, yeah, this is something I ordered off of eBay. Okay, this is from that short-lived, Power Core Combiners? Yeah. Back around the time the Transformers movies were first coming out, they did some kind of pseudo-combiner thing called Power Core Combiners, where you would get one Transformer that would make the core, and then like you'd have the limbs, which would go from vehicle and then automorph out into limbs when you stuck them on to special combiner pegs. And the line-wide gimmick wasn't very good. Like, the combined forms look kind of crappy, but sometimes you would get the individual robot modes that would actually be pretty cool on their own. So even without the gimmick, they were still pretty decent Transformers. And this is Leadfoot. He's the one that transforms into a race car. Now, the thing is, I used a Leadfoot to make this Sonic-themed Transformer. And I wanted to try and recreate the Sonic Transformer, so I got myself another Leadfoot. I'm going to try and do a better job. The original one, I couldn't just rework the original one because some of the transformation pegs are really tight and the figure kind of broke itself a little bit. So this figure is kind of a little bit broken now and I don't want to mess with it. So I'm just going to have a race car in Sonic colors. And I'm going to try and recreate the Sonic Transformer using the same base one. Let's see. Do I remember how this transforms? Let's see. Fold these in. Then these turn around. Let's see. This pops up. These peg in some way. Yeah, they peg in that way. Then the legs, they come out like that. You know, like the torso mode kind of sucks, but most of the Power Core Combiners had sucky torso modes. But Leadfoot has a pretty cool transformation. His single robot mode is actually quite cool looking. Okay, then this is what broke on mine. Like the hinge that takes the shoulder from its car mode position to its robot mode position. On that other one, it was so tight that it kind of broke. So yeah, that's why I've hesitated to transform that one ever since. What's going on? I got the. You're supposed to, like, fold this back. Where I see the hinge. There we go. Yeah, it just kind of clips into place. Okay, then... And then the shoulders go up and in. Yeah, there we go. Then you just kind of adjust the shoulder pads to taste. This thing also has the super tight elbow joints. So yeah, like looking at his robot mode, You can see the inspiration that led me to use this guy to make a Sonic-themed Transformer custom, and it's mostly because those exhaust pipes turn into giant fingers, and I thought that those giant hands made it like pretty decently proportioned if it was a Sonic Transformer. Only problem is that is a tiny little pinhead that he has. I remember like the best way to transform it is to actually just rotate out the combiner head, and the combiner head is actually more proportionately sound for being the on this body. Of course, that's a moot point because I'm not gonna have Sonic's that's not gonna be Sonic's head when it transforms. Yeah. So yeah, like with the Sonic Transformer, I was never able to. I was never happy with the way that the head on that one looked, and like I said, part of the figure kind of cracked on me. So I'm gonna, now that I have a fresh lead foot, I'm gonna try and recreate the Sonic Transformer with it, and I'm gonna try and go with like the gimmick for like the Star Wars Transformers had, like they were mechs that like it's not like Sonic himself is a Transformer. It's like this, it's like the Transformer is a mech suit for him. Yeah, but yeah, it's nice to have a full quality Leadfoot again, because like Leadfoot genuinely is a good Transformer. Like combiner, weird combiner pegs or no, he's actually a genuinely good Transformer, just all on his own. Alright, so that's all I really wanted to say about the box. I guess I'll show a quick preview of what I'm working on. Got a Silver Sonic, like the one from the Game Gear game. Mostly based off of a 3D model somebody put up on Tinkercad. I'll get into it in the video. Only problem is this would already be finished, but the head, as it was intended to print out, like yeah, it's kind of tiny. So I'm not sure if it's because I didn't print out the arms and legs that it was meant to be with, or if the person who made the model didn't realize how small the head was compared to the torso. But I upscaled the head so that it's going to be more proportionally sound. Right now it's printing in my 3D printer. So hopefully I'll have this custom done by tomorrow so I can claim it for another figure in July. Alright, just a quick little one today. This is Wake Angel 2001 signing off.